I'm just confused. It's 4 AM and I feel like I lost the plot because he's in trousers and a jacket with a Martha shirt. Am I going crazy? Are you going crazy?
The fun jacket until we change it into my shirt at Frankfurt.
I think I've lost the plot.
Well, today's finally here. After 3 years of planning.
Long time.
Yeah, we finally had to take our longest journey ever. We were going from here, Oslo, all the way to Frankfurt, then connecting on to Tokyo for a mammoth 15-hour journey. We'll be going in business class today. We've got a special price, well, I will explain that later.
Yeah.
So for now, enjoy the ride and watch all the little bits and pieces you expect from flying business class with Lufthansa. Tokyo today. Yes. Would they allow us to get those passes allowed to go through fast pass? Thank you very much. So here we are, we've gone through check-in. We've gone through the old-fashioned way with the boarding card, not a self-in check-in. Oh, sorry, it does say business class, yeah. Under the perks today, we'll be flying business class. We'll be flying through the fast pass.
Flying through the fast pass?
Sorry,
literally.
Sorry, rephrase that. We'll be going through the fast pass security, which will bypass hopefully all the trials and tribulations, and we'll get a chance to try the SS lounge today. We won't be in it for long because you don't want to enjoy our food on the plane, but a cup of coffee, maybe a pastry, and then write a bit to my journal, and then we'll be off we go. So that's it. Watch this space. For us to do security.
He's getting the right ticket.
Sorry, wrong ticket. That's how fast pass should be, nice and empty. It's been in about 2 or 3 minutes. I'll be honest with you, normal security is fairly light early in the morning, but as you when we go to leave out, it was pandemonium. Today's a lot better. So now we're going to go for a coffee and a croissant in the lounge and go from there. So bye for now.
Well, we're going to follow you, so let's go. Well, is the wrong one?
Yes, I'm almost there. Wrong one.
Let's try again. Okay, I think we've found the right area now. This is the International Lounge.
Only a light though. Only a light steak because we have some food on the plane. So,
yeah.
Yeah, so we're getting tour today, so if it's empty, it'd be okay, so I won't upset anybody. I'll let Jack take the lead.
Best not enter the silent area, but got some offices you can use if you are human business travelling. Got decent show for breakfast. Unfortunately, no 5 AM pints allowed. Some breakfast cereal, nice yogurt. That's the cheese machine. Little salad area. Dad looking for the Danish pastries to no avail. No Danish pastries?
Can't see anything.
I just like look at this cheese machine. Nice banana to start the day.
Okay, well, we were supposed to be in New Orleans, but it's closed, so we're going to go to however, a bit disappointing. There was really no hot option. Say you wanted a bacon egg or something like that.
Well, that eggs not big.
Yeah, right, and there was no pastries. Well, that's very quiet in the morning, but Swiss something a bit better than that. No champagne this morning, so.
Well, the sign said no alcohol for 6 AM.
So we've only got an hour in here, and then we'll move on to our first flight.
Going to the gate now. This combination of suit, jacket and morphed. Unbelievable.
Yeah. Our next plane today will be a Lufthansa A320. It's 4 years old, 190 seats. Our registration is Delta Alpha India November Zebra. Yes, well you can see, well there's a little bit more room in your legs. The tray is like a standard probably tray. If I can get it open. I'm not too sure if it folds out.
No.
No, but yeah. We'll try that today when we
plug down there as well.
Breakfast. We have a all points socket and a USB and nice leather seats and be comfortable.
So breakfast on board. We have our mini croissant, some nice yogurt, the jam and the butter to go with the croissant, you got some cheese and ham, so a single half one. So landed in Frankfurt.
Yes.
And hopefully we're going to go in the Air Canada Lounge now.
Yes.
You know, if I have Lufthansa should hopefully be able to go in this one because apparently it's quiet, isn't it?
Yes, and yeah, Lufthansa looks chock.
Yeah, it's very busy.
Yes, so
Hopefully we'll get in here.
Yes.
If not, I'll have to go to the busy one.
The plane has just come in, I'm in the Air Canada Lounge. Do a little tour so you can see. We have a little private area if you want to let peace and quiet go away from the refresh. It's a lot quieter than the lounges. Because it's so bloody far away from the other lounges, which is great. You can see. We have the tea and coffee machines, some soft drinks on tap. Got a few things on tap. Southpaw, no champagne, but okay, I can't complain. And you see very spacious. We have an open view to the airport. These are nice. And breakfast today, not much. Oh, I do like the sweetie. Nice. And you have a great view. Look at that. 3 stripy planes in one go. We'll be reviewing the showers later. So you can see a couple of jumbos. That's the sort of plane we'll be going on. The Queer Sky, but that's not the one. But have to wait and see until later. It's far too early. So for now, watch this space. My first shower in an airport. This is the Air Canada lounge. I saw some light. I thought I like that. I looked at ones in the Lufthansa. They just look very, very well. I didn't like looking for them, but these are very nice. Just got to strip off now, and no, I won't be showing you pictures of those.
Go. It's really small though, the Air Canada lounge is quite small.
Oh yes, I don't know what the show up yet. I don't know how long to compare it to, but I can imagine the fact that it's a big airline, so it's a lounge space.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger.
That's what we're gonna, yes.
So we have the Lufthansa lounge, we were the Air Canada lounge earlier. This lounge is a lot bigger. Has a lot more Lufthansa flights than Air Canada flights, because Air Canada are like Lufthansa, part of the Star Alliance. We were allowed to go in the Air Canada lounge and Lufthansa lounge, so we had some snacks in the first place. This is a bigger lounge with more facilities. Don't think I want to eat too much, because obviously we'll have lots of food on the plane. We'll have a look at what we've actually got. So we have sweet treats at the end, coffee machine, kiwis, some desserts, so tiramisu, I'll show you what the other one is, and then I've got the soft drinks and the alcohol at the top. And for a shot of limoncello and salad bar with the hot food, some soups. Been in the lounge, yep, I'm gonna go
Finished
actually.
now, we've gone to see our Queen for the day, or for the next 13 hours. So
That's the airplane he's talking about.
yes, Queen Sky. Yes, so we're going to see her now and we'll give some information on her. So
You got a quiff.
yes, bye bye.
Is this her?
No, next one.
You sure? There's 2 there. No, it's here. It's here. Is that plane, I mean?
As you see it over our shoulder, that's our plane we're going to today.
She is absolutely huge.
Queen Sky,
Massive.
she's a big girl.
Jumbo jet.
778-800.
Let's get on
I'll
board.
for the next 13 hours.
Hopefully, unless we God knows.
Yes. Bye. Well, here we are. We got the Jumbo 747. My family have a bit of history with this lovely lady. Back in 1970, my father was lucky enough to work for Pan Am, and he got a chance to fly on the first jumbo from London to Washington. I think it was called Clip of America. And then years later, when I worked at the airport, the first plane I went on was a Jumbo 747. Obviously, that one was a Air India flight. So you could say I know this bird inside out. I've been in the holds. I've been to the top of a tower when I used to de-ice. There's 3 holds on this. People realise there's a little small one right to the very back. And also, if you stand next to her, you can actually walk under her without standing up. So in the winter time, when we were doing, they just had the blowers on, and if it was cold, just do it on blowers for 2 or 3 minutes, and just warm me up. So yes, worked on her. Did everything I can with this bird, other than fly, until now. I can't wait.
Are you excited?
Oh yeah, I'm like a little kid in a sweet shop.
Are you anxious to get on board?
Oh yeah, I'm so happy to finally get a chance to fly. I would like my dad to have, not got a chance to fly one, but story goes, Mum wanted to fly with Dad on that plane, but Hannah wouldn't allow because she was 8 months pregnant. So if they allowed her, she could have had me, but.
So what you're saying is you were an inconvenience before you were even born?
No, my mum was upset that she couldn't fly, but Hannah did say because she was 8 months pregnant, wouldn't have fly. It took her a long time to. Yes, she was extremely pissed. I remember that. This lady in Gwen is registration Delta Alpha Bravo Yankee Romeo. She's 9.3 years old. Bought by Lufthansa in 2015. She had 8 first class, 80 business class, upper and lower, 32 premium economy, and 244 economy.
Here we go. Hello.
858, straight ahead and upstairs. Welcome.
Turn around.
Say this way.
Yes.
Welcome aboard.
I think it's E this one.
Hello.
Hello. That's fine, you understood?
Come round.
We're finally on board. How are you feeling?
I'm happy to be honest. After 70 years, I'm going to show you a little bit.
A bit louder.
I'm going to show you a little bit of how far we're up. You can just about see the engine.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome on board.
Okay.
You.
What can we offer you as a welcome drink? We
What?
have sparkling wine for now, water, orange juice.
I'll have
Sparkling wine, please.
I'll have orange juice because I might have some tip with later on. Thank you.
Go.
Here we are, on board.
Cheers.
Yes.
Welcome drink.
I wasn't say a word, but I've done it already. It's upset about it. So there you go then. Thank you.
Go on.
On it, they give you a nice fucking
Towel? That's a pillow.
Sorry, pillow. Blanket.
Don't-
I'm guessing that's a mattress.
Slippers, yeah.
And look down here.
That's where you get your amenity kit, isn't it?
Which I think it's my Porsche. We'll have a look at that.
Yeah, we'll go through that in a bit. So, a few things we've been given. First of all, pyjama top. It's quite cool.
I'm sure that fit you.
Very, very fashionable.
Yes.
Yeah, just the top, no bottom.
Although I wouldn't walk down the street with it,
Oh, maybe not.
which I thought are great. Pieces know that I didn't think you needed slippers or pajamas, so that was quite good. Yes.
Yeah. And the amenity kit.
Okay. I think the beginning kit was made by Porsche, or
Yeah, so
it's a Porsche design. Yes.
Porsche design. Let's see what we get. Some of your pajamas. We get. So it's like a full string bag.
Oh yeah, a bit like a gym bag.
Yep. And then we have our soap, is this?
So earbuds.
We have what's this?
Lip balm.
So some sort of cream
Okay,
of
right.
some sort. Comforting cream
Comforting cream. Yes.
and precious cream. I'm not quite sure what they are.
Okay. So you say precious
Precious cream, it says in the front.
because you're precious.
Some precious cream, yeah.
Perhaps that's a cream you should.
also
Perhaps that's a cream you should give to Lord of the Rings. 'Cause she's precious. Toothbrush, yes, and some toothpaste.
Yeah, toothbrush, toothpaste.
Is it a wooden toothbrush or plastic?
Meine sehr verehrten Damen und Herren, ein
Yes.
herzliches Willkommen an Bord dieser Boeing 747-8, der Königin der Lüfte.
Socks?
Name
Yes.
Besatzung Deutsche Lufthansa auf dem Non-Stop-Flug ins Osterfest nach Tokio. Mein Name ist Martin Volz, ich bin der Kapitän. Ich fliege zusammen mit meinem Kollegen Mirko Imhoff und Patrick Lawler. Vielen Dank, dass Sie rechtzeitig hier an dem Gate erschienen sind. Vollzählig hier, das Flugzeug ist voll.
Okay, yes. You'll probably find if you go into the later go into the toilet, there'll be things like razors, stuff like that in the because that nothing's put in the bag. But yes, but also when we do the loo review, we will check on that.
There we go.
There we go. Right. One of the benefits of flying on the jumbo, especially upper deck, you have little cubby holes, which downstairs don't have. So you can put your bags and bits and pieces in, okay? Also you have the overhead locker, you have more, but that's just extra. Okay, you have the seat corner here, up, down, left and right. You have inside, you have your seat, you know that pulls out, you have your remote control for that. You have your headphones, which I'm surprising they're not already pre-packed in little plastic to keep them clean. So we have the table here. Now, honestly, if you slide that back and forwards, I think you can twist so you can get out.
What does that do?
So you can push that. Yes, you
Don't
slide,
let my drink over.
slide that. You want to get out, you can get out while you're having a meal. Obviously, if someone's sitting there, you have to step over.
Yeah.
And if you go down here, there's another universal plug. So if you have, we
can stick out with charge ours in there.
Yes, you can do, yes.
So we've got the entertainment system
Push button.
screen, some of the latest films on as well. Flight info as well. So you see at the moment we are in Frankfurt. Flying all the way across here. Where is it? Up to Japan. So you're enjoying the start of the flight, yes?
So far?
Yeah, just been trying to figure out how everything works in the entertainment system, trying to figure out the best way of getting comfortable, feet up.
The other plane's 10 years old, it is very slow.
Well, the entertainment system.
Yeah, the whole socket is quite old.
Yeah, I was saying if you compare it to the ICE system with Emirates,
Oh yeah, that's
it's very up to date. You can even plug your own HDMI into it, and it's obviously like 1080p monitors. Yeah, so it's a very different experience to when I flew business class at Emirates. It's still a really enjoyable experience. It's just very different. Yeah, I would agree though. Emirates are quite blingy. It's just still, to say it's very old, they're still very cool, very good. So the meal's coming soon. You ordered the what, Dad? What did you order? Oh, what are you going to order? I'm going to order the chicken. Dad's got some champagne to go with his cashew nuts. And I've got some Chardonnay. So happy days, enjoying flying in business class. How's the champagne? Great. That is what the best champagne connoisseurs use to describe champagne. Dry but bearable. You're a dry brute. Alright. We'll check back in when we get our food. Cheers. Yeah, I got two because they poured twice. No. Fine. So, food here. What do you have, Dad?
I have a veal.
Yep, salad.
And a little bottle of vinaigrette.
Yeah.
Boeing, and a cob.
And I have the chickpea salad, which looks nice, and a little bread roll as well. So, actual china, yeah, and you'll have some actual metal cutlery. Let's see the metal cutlery, not wooden or plastic. As opposed to a fake napkin. What? Yes, very nice. And some sort of embroidery on it. I doubt it.
And I just got a little hole. That's full?
No.
So you can tie it when you put the button in.
Go on then. Go on, do it. Show us how you could wear it. Nice attire. There we go.
I look stupid.
Very nice.
That's what's full. Before this, you've got to be don't notice that.
You're not those people, are you? But I think we've looked at the napkin for too long now. I think we've exhausted this content.
Sorry, I just thought about a lifty logo.
No, right, well, enjoy your dinner while you watch Oppenheimer, and I'm watching Wonka. So there you go.
What you want?
Wonka.
Oh, sorry.
You're so funny. Enjoy.
Right. You know what I got?
So what have you got now for your main? Pan-fried cod with some, is it risotto or some vegetables?
Risotto with
some carrot and some carrot. What is it?
Some pumpkin stew.
Pumpkin stew.
Sauté.
Nice. And I've got a chicken breast with some tinsel broccoli and some mushrooms and some other vegetables. So, looks good.
Should we see what's eaten?
Yes. What would you say about your cod then? How's your pan-fried cod?
It's cooked in a glass oven. Very tender actually.
Yeah, good. And the risotto?
Very nice.
Yeah, brill.
What about your chicken?
My chicken?
Right?
Yeah, my chicken was fine. It was alright.
Was it moist? Was it dry?
It was in the middle. It wasn't the best. But now we've got some mascarpone with some
Ketchup.
well, some sort of coulis.
Yes.
So yeah, generally, right, great.
It does look a bit like a Twinkie.
Yeah, I get that, I guess.
Well, piece it.
Well, see if it's any good, shall we? Right, so it starts sat up, and then lowers down, moves forwards, and then goes all the way down. There you go. So despite it being 5 AM UK time and 6 PM German time where we left, all the cabin blinds have been shut, so they do what they can to make it feel like it's night time. Apparently, doing your normal nighttime routine, brushing your teeth, getting into pyjamas, whatever, can help with your brain thinking you're ready for sleep. So that's the plan. I'm going to essentially try and get ready for bed as I normally would, so that I can have a good amount of sleep. That's the plan. Here in the toilet, right by the actual cockpit, to be fair, it's just out there to the right. But like you said, you get little sleeping masks, little earplugs, there was more stuff in there, but it's gone. I think there's some like some wipes and some combs and whatnot. There we go. So this is the attempt at making the bed. So you have the, don't want to call it mattress, but you have the bed topper to give a little bit of added extra padding, and you get a pillow. This is after it's been laid flat, and then you get a duvet as well. So hopefully get 6-ish hours sleep, say 6.5 hours. Tomorrow get to Japan at 10 AM local time, which is actually 2 AM in the morning UK time. So messing with the body clock. Look at him, all tucked up in his little bed. You look like you're dead, you look like you've already been asleep. But yeah, we've had dinner now. Yeah, but we're going to try and go to sleep soon because we've got 8 hours until we land to try and get some overnight sleep. Yep. Right, good night. So we've had some sleep. I slept intermittently through the night. Apparently you had one sleep and then I had a coffee and then another sleep. Don't know how I managed that. We've got breakfast now, got some pancakes. It's good. There's an option for a Japanese breakfast. We're not sure what that would entail. We'll leave that till we get to Japan. But would you say you slept well or not well? Fine, great. He's too busy playing this game. But yeah, it's quite comfortable. Like, with being a bit tall, I just about managed it. I'm 6'2". Just about managed to sleep alright. With my feet like extended. So yeah, looking forward to breakfast. Should be good. Bye-bye. Thank you. There it is. Parked up. We're here now in Tokyo. The bad hair crew with most of our hair stuck up.
Yes, it was a long flight.
It was good though. And
it was nice to finally chalk one off my list.
Yes, now finally in Japan, and
yes,
we're going to go and see what we can find. Get through customs first.
Yes. It's okay.
Before you collapse from
Yeah,
exhaustion.
no, it's not okay. It's just I need the loop.
Great,
So.
great.